So guys, Nnamdi Kanu secured victory once again, and you won't believe the circumstance in which Nnamdi Kanu secured this very victory. Well, I must commend Nnamdi Kanu because Nnamdi Kanu has always been a man of his words, and the intelligence in Nnamdi Kanu's head is one that is equal to none. Because Nnamdi Kanu is so intelligent that you won't believe what he actually did today in court. You know, whenever we say Nnamdi Kanu is fighting a just cause, many feel that he does not know what he's doing. Not knowing that Nnamdi Kanu is a man filled with wisdom. He's a man filled with intelligence. He's a black messiah. I must say it. Nnamdi Kanu is a black messiah. Without wasting much of time, I want to be displaying to you what actually happened in court today and what really transpired in court. Because Nnamdi Kanu came up in court today and said, look, I will be defending myself. Don't also forget that about 24 hours ago, Nnamdi Kanu listed some people, listed some politicians that is going to be involving in his witness trial. And 24 hours later, today in court, Nnamdi Kanu told his legal team to step down, that he's going to be defending himself in courts. And truly, Nnamdi Kanu spoke with authority, and he defended himself in truth. Look, I'm going to be showing you guys the transcript of what really transpired in court today. But before then, listen to what one of Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer had to say about what really transpired in court today, because I have the full transcripts of what really occurred in court today and how Nnamdi Kanu defended himself and how Omotosho also adjourned the case again. But I must tell you for the fact, Nnamdi Kanu was victorious today, because standing alone to defend yourself is not what everyone can do. It takes courage, it takes boldness to say, I want to defend myself in courts. Well, watch this video and listen to what transpired in court today. And after watching this video, we are going to be back with the full transcript of what transpired in court.
Thank you very much, and good day to all lovers of freedom. My name is Nnamdi Kanu. I am one of the lawyers of Nnamdi Kanu. Today being the 23rd of October 2025, Nnamdi Kanu opted to defend himself in open court. Processes had been filed and motions had been moved. So he filed motion challenging the jurisdiction of the court. And after the motion was moved by himself, according to what we heard, because when he asked that he would defend himself, the judge directed or ordered that all his lawyers who had appeared with him or for him before now should leave the courtroom. So we all left, except the senior advocates of Nigeria, who my lord ordered to sit back, and they sat back. So, but we left as directed by court, and Nnamdi Kanu, as we later heard, moved the motion, which he filed by himself, challenging the jurisdiction of the court. I understand that the court insisted that he has jurisdiction and continue to hear the matter. We also were informed that he raised the issue of his medical certificate of fitness issued by the Nigerian Medical Association. And he drew the attention of the court to the fact that the Nigerian Medical Association issued a certificate of fitness on the 23rd of September 2025, whereas the court made an order for the Nigerian Medical Association to do that report on the 26th. So we noticed that the medical report came long before the order of court was made. And Nnamdi Kanu's position is that that medical report is not the one ordered by the court, and that the medical report is corrupted. But because on the last date before today, when we appeared in court and that medical report was tendered, the lawyers, we didn't object to that medical report. Possibly it's an oversight, I think. And so my lord said that since he had ruled on that medical report, he is found official, he can no longer go back to that medical report, and ordered him to go ahead to present his defense. We understand also that Dr. Nyechi Bazo stood up and intervened as a friend of court and requested my lord to grant Mazi some time to reflect and maybe constitute another team of lawyers that will lead his defense team. So be that as it may, the case is still on. It's adjourned to tomorrow 24th October 2025. Hopefully we'll be around. If the court permits us to come inside, we'll come inside, but if not, then we'll just hang around and try to get information as to what transpired. So as of today, Nnamdi Kanu has briefed us as his lawyers for this particular case, not for all cases, but for this particular case. So hopefully by tomorrow, he might have to reconstitute another team. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So, yeah. My name is Prince Elias Odemena. I am the convener of the Igbo Union, Ndukondi Igbo. Please, I want to debunk the stories going around the town because of the protest Sowore, a Yoruba man called. They say that the Igbos abandoned Nnamdi Kanu. That is a false statement. We, the Igbos, we are 100% behind our brother, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Yes. Mazi, you'll be out. Mazi. It's strong. Let's see.
Well, before heading into the transcripts of what really transpired in court today, Sowore was arrested after meeting with Nnamdi Kanu in court. The video you are seeing here is the video of when Sowore met with Nnamdi Kanu in court, and you won't believe that a few minutes later, the police arrested Sowore outside the court premises. This is the country we find ourselves in. And in case you are looking for the verified report to confirm what I'm actually telling you, look at it here from Sahara Reporter saying, breaking, Nigerian police arrest Sowore at Federal High Court in Abuja. This is the news. Well, let's be heading straight to the transcript of what really transpired in court today between Nnamdi Kanu, Omotosho, and the rest of them. And I will be reading everything out for you in details. Nnamdi Kanu tells courts he will defend himself as late counsel Kanu Agabi orders withdraw. Let's be reading everything out for you in details so everyone can follow up. The detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, on Thursday told the courts that he would be representing himself after his late counsel, Chief Kanu Agabi SAN, applied to withdraw from the case. Agabi informed the courts that the defense team was stepping down, saying the defendants had decided to take over the conduct of the case. All the senior advocates of Nigeria, previously representing Kanu, also formally withdrew from the matter, a development Kanu personally confirmed in open courts. Addressing the judge, Kanu stated he had chosen to handle his defense for now, though he might reconsider that decision later. This is also to clarify to the public that Chief Kanu Agabi, who is the SN representing Nnamdi Kanu, did not withdraw by himself. He withdrew based on the orders of Nnamdi Kanu because Nnamdi Kanu told him to step down, that he wants to represent himself, that he wants to defend himself in open courts. This is the situation. When asked by the presiding judge whether he wished the court to assign him another lawyer, he declined the offer. Arguing orally before the courts, Kanu maintained that the court lacked jurisdiction to try him. Well, you can now see that Nnamdi Kanu argued face-to-face with Omotosho, telling them that, look, Tinubu can't prosecute me. That, look, Omotosho, you have no right to try me under the Nigerian constitution. He told everyone that Nigeria lacks the jurisdiction to try him, that no court even have the jurisdiction to try him. This is what Nnamdi Kanu argued today in court. And he made it clear to everyone that he's innocent, that he has no case to answer. The Kenyan High Court vindicated him. The Year Working Group vindicated him. The Appeal Court in Nigeria in 2022 vindicated him. Then why are you still trying him? He has no right to face any trial because he has no case to answer. That is the truth. He has no case to answer. Well, let's wrap this up. Court adjourned till Friday for Nnamdi Kanu to open defense after lawyers withdraw. Let's read out the details of these very adjournments. Kanu was scheduled to open his defense in his ongoing terrorism trial on Thursday. When the case was called, Kanu Agabi SAN, who had led Kanu's legal team until Thursday, announced his decision along with other senior advocates on the team to withdraw from the case. Agabi explained that the reason for their withdrawal is because the defendant has taken this case back from us and we respect that. He named the other SANs withdrawing as Onyechi Ikpeazu SAN, Joseph Akubo SAN, Paul Erokoro SAN, Emeka Etiaba SAN, and one other. Following Agabi's announcement, Justice Shøcks Omotosho turned to Kanu, who was in the dock, for his response. Kanu confirmed sacking all his lawyers and told the court that he was willing and ready to conduct his case by himself. Justice Omotosho then ordered other members of the defendant's legal team who were in court, except the SANs, to vacate the courtroom immediately. The judge then turned to the defendant and asked him to open his case. Kanu commenced arguing about the jurisdiction of the court to further conduct his trial, but was subsequently overruled by the judge, who insisted that he must proceed with his defense. At that point, Ikpeazu intervened and drew the court's attention to the fact that their withdrawal took effect on the morning of Thursday. He prayed the court to grant Kanu some time to gather his thoughts and compose himself for the task ahead. The prosecuting lawyer did not object, following which Justice Omotosho adjourned the case till Friday, October 24, for Kanu to open his defense. This was what transpired in court today. This means Nnamdi Kanu officially opened his defense on Friday, which is the 24th of October, and we wish him all the best. Well, Nnamdi Kanu has shown that he is fearless and he has evidence in which he needs to defeat the federal government led by Bola Tinubu and Omotosho in court. Well, at this point in time, you have listened to what really transpired in court, and you have also known the update for today. At this point, I'll let you guys tell me what you feel about this in the comment section below. Do well to like this video, share this video, and most importantly, don't fail to hit the subscribe bell below, because tomorrow I'll be bringing you more updates on whatever happens in courts. See you in my next video updates. Bye.